So, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna install a Recaro seat in my Civic because we have nothing else to do because my friend lost motivation to fix the other Civic. But
taking a break.
He's taking a break because of lost motivation. Mostly the motivation was lost because of the money.
Out of money, it's called.
Yeah, out of money motivation. Anyway, we're gonna install the seats today because I have been waiting for this for like 1.5 months. And here's the seats, and I think we have bought all the stuff we need. So we have connectors, we have a new block for the battery, we have some covers for the wires, we have plus and minus, we also have a relay cable kit, and the reason why we bought cables is because this is only 250 millimeters. I have no clue what measurement you use in America for that, but 250 millimeters. So yeah, we're gonna remove the old seats and install this, and I only have one. I'm probably gonna install another one in the future because I have only found one so far. And the best part with this seat is fully electrical and also have fans and heat, so that's very nice. The blue cable is gonna go to your ignition, and the black and red is obviously gonna go to the battery, and this cable is gonna go to the seats. So, because I have my electrical box under my dash, right under here, right there, I'm gonna hide this in the box, and this gonna go to the battery, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do now. Just plug in everything and prepare everything and see if it actually works. So a little bit of recap. The cable for the seat, let me turn on the light. We're gonna put like the cable behind here, and then we drag the cable for the seats here under the carpet. So if you have a Civic like me, you have to like remove this to bend it up, because there's no room to get the cable through here if you don't like remove all this. I don't know if you can see it, but if you see the golden like bolt, there is the ground. It's like right under the dash. So if you have a Civic from 88 to 92, you can use the ground right under the dash. So this is like the signal for the ignition. So the electrical will like turn on when you turn on the car. So we just cut the power cable, and plugged on this signal cable. And yeah, we're gonna put on a heat shrinker here. But the thing is, I bought two small heat shrink, so it's up here at the moment. So I promise to fix that. I don't gonna leave it like this. So now we're working on the plus cable, and it goes through the firewall down here, and we also gonna like put on a new block here, and we have connected the cable like together with the short plus cable like I showed in the beginning. So hopefully we can test this in a few minutes. the cable management in the engine bay area is done. So now it is like a block instead of a connector like this. And yeah, everything is sorted up really nice. And the cable for the seats is here and it's going through the tunnel right there. So now when we are certified electricians, Jonathan made this contact for the seats. So now we're just gonna install the other side on the seat instead. And it looks really good actually. It feels good to have like real connectors instead of just having a wire together. So here is the result of the seat. So now we're just gonna plug it in and see if everything works, and after that we have to build the rails. Everything works fine. So like I said in the beginning, this seat has like built-in fans and heat, so it's gonna be a lot more comfortable to drive now because I have no air conditioning in the car. So yeah, all the electrical things was like a succeed. So it's just the rails now. We're trying to figure out what that button does. It's released something.
Oh, the lower back support.
Jag känner nu.
It's the airbag I told you about. There is the manual one which you blow by hand, and then there's electric.
I see. But this is gonna be so comfortable. So this is how we built the rail. I can't really explain how you do it because we just come up with this as time went. So what we did was to cut out like the old ones from the old seats and weld it on the rails for the new. And then we just like put the seat in the car and mocked up and measurement back and forward until everything fit. And it looks like this. So it depends what seat you're gonna buy. Everyone is gonna be different, so you have to just try your way or buy rails from like a company, but we did it by our own instead because we are poor.
Because we can.
So the seats are now installed. I actually forgot to film when we installed the seats, but yeah, it looks fantastic compared to before. This is like the right position for me. This only sad thing is the buttons I got was not the correct buttons, so it looks like this at the moment. But I'm gonna see if someone's selling 3D printed buttons for my seat, because it's not like the most uncommon Recaro seats, but yeah, it looks really nice. And if you look from this view, it looks so much better than the OEM ones, and it's extremely comfortable. I actually had a road trip down to my hometown and visit my mom, and also like tried to help my friend hang up a TV, but the trip was very comfortable with this chair, much better. So if you have an old Civic, you should really upgrade your seats to something else. So yeah, so that was everything for this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video, and I will see you next time.